Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me the new Samsung Galaxy A40, really amazing phone from Samsung A series guys. So today we're going to talk about some of the tips and tricks. The first of all, you can see here there is no battery percentage showing over here. What you have to do, just scroll down and you see the settings option. You see this icon, just click on it and just search battery guys. So you have to just write it down here, battery. So when I write down battery, it will show me different battery options guys. So you will see here, so I type battery over here and there is option show battery percentage guys. Just click on this one, and then the last option is showing battery percentage. Just enable it guys, and you can see here the battery is now showing guys 70%, and when I disable it will not showing. So now it is enable, so it is showing the battery percentage. Really useful function of this mobile phone guys. So the next option is, if you want to use the camera, just click on the side key, the power key, 2 times. The camera will turn on guys. So really helpful if you are in a hurry and you want to use the camera. As you can see, the camera is working when I click on the side key, the power key, 2 times. So now it is working guys. Really cool feature guys. So next we will move on to the other option, which is navigation option guys. First of all, you have to go into the settings and just search navigation. Just type here navigation guys, and you see there is option, the second option which is showing over here is navigation bar. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to click on this navigation bar. So here I write navigation and navigation bar showing. So just click on this option, and then when you click on it, there is a last option which is navigation bar. You have to just select this option guys, navigation bar, and here you go guys. It's showing you navigation bar option. It show you navigation buttons and full screen gestures. So when I enable full screen gestures, the button will disappear and it will show the full screen, and still it will do the function of all the buttons guys. Instead of using the buttons, you can use the gesture as well. And then buttons, there are orders. You can make it different order for the buttons. It's up to you guys, whichever option you like, however you want to do it guys. So button order you can also change, and you can also do the full screen gesture. For me, I like the buttons. It's easy and it's convenience for me, so I will do it for navigation buttons guys. And really important, really cool feature guys. So next option that I want to tell you about is the clock option. First of all, you go in the settings. Same thing you have to do, you have to write down clock style. So you write here clock style, and you see here, just write clock is showing the clock style. Just click on it, and then you have to select the clock style option, and here you go guys. It is showing you different clock option. You see here, when I tap, it's showing different clock option. Really cool, really amazing clock options guys. So whatever is easy for you, whatever looks good for you, you can select it. Also you can select the different colors. You can see here there are different colors, and you can also customize your colors guys. So really amazing, really cool feature of this Samsung Galaxy A40 guys. So you can make customized clock according to your needs guys. Okay, the other option that I want to tell you about is how to make a phone little bit quicker, how to make the improvement of the phone. So go in the settings, improvement in the phone speed guys. So first of all, go in the settings, search device care. So when you type device, it show you just write down device care and select this first option, which is device care guys. So here, when you go here, it is showing you different options guys. From the downside, if you see, there is, yeah, you can see here battery, storage, memory. So each of one you can select, and it will ask you if there are some junk files, so you can remove them and your phone will be more quicker guys. So storage, there is no junk file at the moment, and battery is also good. There is no app usage. And then I go in the memory. I think memory, there we have some junk files that we want to remove. So here you go guys, it's showing you different memory clean now. When I do the clean now, it is start to cleaning up the junk files which are not in use guys. So it will take little like 5-6 seconds, and it will clean all your phone with the junk files, and it will improve the speed of your phone guys. It's really important in terms if you want to make your phone quicker guys. The phone will be more responsible and the phone will be more quicker. Okay guys, so really amazing, really cool feature from Samsung Galaxy A40 guys. So the other option I want to show you is the dual messenger guys. So just go in the settings and type dual, and you can see here dual messenger come, just select on it. So guys, you can just scroll down and you see dual messenger guys. So the function of this option is because sometimes you have two Facebook accounts, okay guys, and you want to use both two accounts at the same time in the same mobile phone, but Facebook don't allow it. But in Samsung, what they do, they just give you an option. You can install it by just enable it. It will ask you for the installation option. As you can see, you can confirm, next, and yes, and it will start downloading the other Facebook. So after downloading this, there will be two Facebooks, and these two Facebooks you can use it at the same time guys. Two Facebooks you will be use with the two different account at the same time guys. Really cool feature. It will also show you other apps option. You can see here there are two Facebooks. This is Facebook 1 and this is Facebook 2 guys. So two Facebooks you can use at the same time. So this is really cool feature guys. So the next option that I want to show is it's about hiding apps. So first of all, what you have to do is you have to just go on the home screen settings, and you see the hide apps option. So these are all apps, and you can select any app from here which you want to hide. I select only these two, and then I press apply, and these two apps will hide guys. So you can see here the apps are not showing over here. So then if I want to display, just go again home screen settings and then hide apps again, and then you can see from the top, just minus it, and it will now show into your display. Now these apps are not anymore hide guys. So really cool, really amazing feature if you want to hide your apps guys. So the last option which I want to show is the pop-up view. So any file you open, any app you open, and then just minimize it, and then what you have to do, just open the pop-up view, just tap on this left hand button, the line button, and then the app is open, and then from the top just click on it and it will show you open in pop-up view guys. So now this is open in pop-up view, and it's a small view, and you can do all the function from this view, and it is very good if the phone screen you find it bigger and you want to use app in a small screen guys. So you can do all the function. You can also change the size of this pop-up view. You can make it bigger, you can make it smaller, it's up to you, whatever it's easy for you. So if you click on here, it will make it the full size, and if you again tap and then tap here, and then you can see pop-up view, and then you can make it small as well. It's up to your needs. It will go to minimize option as well, and if you want to close, you can do this cross option, and the app will be closed guys. So guys, I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much guys.